Okay, so right now we're going to talk about traditional folding knives versus modern folding knives and the drawbacks and the benefits and the pros and cons of them. We'll start with the traditional ones. They're a little bit slower to get open. They're made with traditional materials: wood, brass, stainless steel. This is an Opinel Slimline folder. It's got a collar lock on it, which means this is the locking mechanism. You just twist this collar right here and it will not, it blocks the blade from being able to fold down. You twist it back and you can close it after that. And then I actually like to close it or close the collar lock while I have it closed as well, just so it doesn't come open, which it's stiff enough. I don't think it will. I don't think that's an issue. But this is the one that I carry and I keep. I've had a history of getting folders and then getting rid of them, getting folders, getting rid of them. This has been the one that stuck around. There's just something about this one that I really enjoy. It's very slim. I call it my splinter picker because anytime my kiddo gets a splinter, this is what we pull out to get it out. It's a stainless steel blade. It's Opinel, made in France. It's got Bubinga wood handles, which are just absolutely gorgeous. If you look at them, I really don't do too much to it. I put a little fixing wax on them here and there, but it's stainless steel, so I don't really have to oil the blade up or anything like that. And it's slower to open, but for some reason this one stuck around the longest. Now, as far as modern blades, this right here, you see how quick that gets open. This is the Kershaw Bel. It was also featured in the Red Hill Cutlery staff pocket check that we did, the very first video we did with them. And we talked about it a little bit. I got my hands on this one prior to going down there and prior to knowing that they had a carbon fiber handle option for it as well, because honestly, if I'd seen the carbon fiber first, I probably would have went with that one. But I like this one just as well. It's got aluminum handles. It's got a crossbar lock, and the way that that functions, if you look at that, you can literally shake close it with that crossbar lock and you can engage it from either side. It's ambidextrous. It's made in America, made in the USA. I don't know if you can see that. And this is Magna Cut steel, and it is just sharp as a Dickens. I swear. It's I haven't really seen any evidence that it rusts. I'm used to AEBL stainless, but this Magna Cut seems to be pretty good. It takes a heck of an edge. I haven't had to sharpen it. All I've done is hone it and strop it a little bit here and there. And I couldn't be happier with it. I mean, it is a handy little blade. I like that they actually put the jimping into the handles here in a few places. It's got a good purchase on it. I can get a good, 4-finger grip on it and bear down on it. It's got almost like a, not a sheep's foot, almost like a modified Warncliffe or like a sow blade almost, or a sax blade rather. It's got a good pocket clip on it, good generous pocket clip, lanyard hole, and the centering is absolutely perfect on it. It's got thumb studs on both sides. I'm right-handed, so pretty much I feel like every knife has, leans predominantly right-handed, so you don't have to order lefty on it. But it's made with modern materials, and if I was going to go with a modern pocket knife, out of all the ones that I've owned, it would most likely be this one, which, I mean, actually it is this one because this is the one that stuck around. This is the one I kept out of all of them. And then as far as traditional, this would be the one that I kept out of all of them. And they are just absolutely my two favorite folding pocket knives myself. I can't really speak to anybody else's preference because it comes down to whatever you like. There's not a best knife. It's a what's best for you and what you like best actually is what it comes down to. So it's just a matter of taste and preference, but these are the two I like, and you should definitely give them a look and check them out.